Hello, in front of me I've got FOTON V9. In this video I'll compare price of this car versus rivals. For V9L X4X, the car costs about $30,000. For V9S X4X, the price is about $32,500. Approximate 2025 rival pricing in, for example, Australia for broadly comparable 4x4 dual cab autos. We've got GVM Canon, cheapest Chinese rivals for $26,300. LDV T60 Max for $26,800. Ford Ranger XL for $33,000 and Toyota Hilux for $32,000 up to $46,500. For Isuzu, similar brand, there is often between $32,000 to $48,500. Compared to top mainstream UTEs like Hilux, Ranger, D-Max, a fully specced Tunland V9S at 33K equivalent can be 10,000 to 15,000 cheaper than similar equipped Japanese models in the same market. Versus other Chinese budget rivals, the Tunland V9 sits a little higher, about $3,000 to $6,000 more than entry, but offers more premium cabin, coil-spring rear, and very rich standard safety equipment. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment, and subscribe.